Hey guys, welcome to our new channel known as Coder.Ank22. Now, as the name suggests, this channel will closely deal with coding, software development, and technologies. Now, to begin with, our first and new series, which we are going to start on this channel, is Road to Grandmaster. Now, this series will deal with the competitive programming area with help of code forces. Now, Codeforces is one of the most known website for competitive programming and holds a weekly or monthly contest of uh, competitive programming. Now, our goal will be from getting to Grandmaster from unranked. Now, in this series, we will learn about various kind of problems, what is time complexity, what is space complexity, what are different type of algorithms, and we will try to solve various difficulties of problem set which are ranked in code forces, and I will try my best to solve most of the problem set which are there in code forces for us to train and develop our coding skills and algorithms. Now you can follow along me on GitHub/Ank22 where I have created a repo on Codeforce's problem set and the solutions are posted there. Now let's check the website. As you can see, this is my profile page of Codeforces and I am currently unrated because I have not begun any contest. When you will come to Codeforces, the main page will look like this, where you have various announcement for gyms or the Codeforces rounds which are held. And to begin with, we'll start with the problem set. In problem set, there are the problem numbers, name, some tags are given to know which type of problem is this. There is a difficulty rating and number of users have successfully solved. So we will be sorting our list by the difficulty from least difficult to most difficult. So as you have seen, I have started solving some of the problems which are rated at 800 difficult, which is the lowest. And our goal will be to go to the highest difficulty possible, which is the 3500. Now, talking about my GitHub, as you can see, this code forces problem set is there on my GitHub page. So you can search for Ank22 and you can see code forces problem set. So some important points and tips are given here. Like the solution is there if you are stuck and you cannot go beyond it. So if you are wanting to learn and perform well in competitive programming, I will highly suggest that you should try yourself and think about the problem. And if you're stuck more than half an hour, then you come to the solution. And if possible, you can see the videos too. Now, this was about code forces and all. Now, talking more about the series, I will try my best to post a video on every Monday at 8 a.m. IST. If we are lucky, we can get two videos weekly if time permits. That's all, and thank you for joining.